Sonakshi Sinha is here with me, and she's all set to walk the ramp, but for a social cause. Sonakshi, you're here for the Swades show. Tell us about your association and all geared up for the ramp.
I'm very, very happy that I could be a part of it this time around. Zarina Screwvala has been calling me every year. Last year, my mom walked the ramp for her, and she came home very excited. She was like, it was so nice, and you know, it's for such a good cause, and I'm so glad that I could be a part of it. So this time around, when she called me, I was shooting, but I said I'll make sure that I'm there on that day, no matter what. And I'm here today because I think these guys are doing such a fabulous job, and you know, for empowering rural India, and I think it's fantastic, and whatever little way that I can be a part of it, I'm here.
Absolutely. And you spoke about empowering the rural India. आप एक villager जो रायगढ़ से आई हैं, उनके साथ किसी के साथ चलने वाली हैं. So you know whom you're going to walk with?
Yeah, this is a family who's come down, a gentleman and his 2 daughters, and he has in fact educated a lot of people in his village, and I think you know, such a commendable job. He's first educated his 2 daughters, and then taken over the responsibility of, you know, educating more people in his village. So I'm so glad that I could share the stage with these people, because these are actually the real true heroes, and it's my honor, really.
And also the whole idea is also there'll be an auction, और कुछ fans को मौका मिलेगा आमिर के घर डिनर पे जाने का, रणबीर के साथ डेट पे जाने का, शाहरुख के साथ चार्टर फ्लाइट. सो अगर आप फ़ैन होती हैं, अगर आप ऑक्शन करती, तो इन तीनों में से क्या चाहती कि आप कहाँ जाएं?
Oh wow, this is such tempting. और क्या है, do you know?
Actors, I know these 3. Otherwise, I think there's also there's one person who makes portraits of you know, the renowned people, so he'll make a portrait.
Nice.
Yeah,
I like that. I would like.
No, but I gave you an option of the stars, Shahrukh, Aamir or Ranveer.
But I want a portrait. I love art. I love to sketch.
So, but just hypothetically, being a fan, whom would you want to go out?
I would bid on all, probably just to raise the stakes and you know, get a higher price. So I would just help them all.
तो तीनों में से रणबीर, आमिर और शाहरुख, तीनों में से जिसके साथ आपका लक लग गया वो.
चलो, कोई तीनों के साथ काम नहीं किया है, तो anyone will do.
अच्छा, इसी बहाने काम की भी डिस्कशन हो जाएगी, फ्यूचर प्रोजेक्ट्स.
You know, every day you meet me, same question you ask.
अच्छा, ठीक है. मगर प्रोजेक्ट्स की बात करें तो रजनीकांत जी के साथ आप फिल्म कर रही हैं. जून जुलाई में शुरू हो रही है शायद. So what is the project?
In fact, मई में शुरू हो रही है. I'm scrambling all my dates to make sure that I can start in May, and then the project takes off. So I'm very excited because बहुत सी खबरें आ रही थी कि मैं ये आइटम सॉन्ग कर रही हूँ किसी के तमिल फिल्म में, या तेलुगु फिल्म कर रही हूँ, ये कर रही हूँ, वो कर रही हूँ, which was all untrue. And now that I'm making my debut, I'm very happy that it's with
Rajnikant. Exactly. But then we all are wondering, last question, don't worry. We all are wondering, you know, he's done Robot, now it's Kochadian, but next level क्या होने क्या वाला है? It's going to be on other space altogether. What is going to be like?
It's definitely something that people are really looking forward to. I think he went into a different space with all these this animation and the technological kind of films, but I think now he's coming back to what he was really loved for, and I think that's going to be very exciting for his fans.
ठीक है. On that note, thank you so much for talking to us, and we'll be looking forward to that film for sure. Thank you so much.
Thank you.